Running an e-commerce business is exciting, but it's challenging. The struggle is real, from managing inventory to syncing data across platforms. That's where x2x integration solutions comes in. Let's explore the 5 most common e-commerce challenges and how x2x integration solutions solves them. Challenge number 1: disconnected systems. When your e-commerce platform, ERP, and POS don't communicate, it leads to inefficiencies and costly errors. x2x integrates your systems to create a single source of truth. This means no more duplicate data entry and more accurate business insights. Challenge number 2: inventory headaches. Overstocking and stockouts can frustrate customers and hurt profits. x2x synchronizes inventory in real time, so you always know what's in stock. Say goodbye to manual adjustments and hello to satisfied customers. Challenge number 3: inefficient order fulfillment. Delayed shipments and mismanaged orders can hurt your brand reputation. x2x automates the order flow from your e-commerce store to your ERP system, ensuring accurate and speedy fulfillment. Challenge number 4: poor customer experience. In today's competitive market, a single bad experience can cost you customers. With x2x, you can provide customers with real-time updates, faster responses, and a seamless shopping experience that keeps them coming back. Challenge number 5: hitting a growth ceiling. As your business expands, outdated processes can hold you back. x2x integrations grows with your business, supporting multi-store, multi-region, and multi-currency operations without sweat. With x2x integration solutions, these challenges are a thing of the past. Ready to simplify, automate, and scale your business? Contact us today to learn more. x2x integration solutions, the smarter way to grow your e-commerce business.